I'm gonna get my other non-ones.
Ever since I got stung by that, you know what?
Know what?
The letter between A and C. No. Bumble.
Gum.
No, it rhymes with me.
Foot.
You know I'm charging by the hour. I know. It's B. B. Good thing you're afraid of bees and not sharks. Okay,
See, look at their faces. You guys are more spread apart. My face is done. Oh, he's blocking. Oh, look at his guts.
He's hugging the camera.
Yeah.
maybe I can help you with your insulting people problem.
He's chewing on his sock.
That's right. I think he said that.